Hi students, welcome once again. Today I am here to share you all the best strategy which you are going to follow it for your corporate accounting and financial management paper for this attempt. For this subject, keep in mind that this subject is a mixture of both. It is practical as well as theory which has equal weightage. For theory, you don't have to worry. Just you need to know the concepts based on which we have already solved all the sums. So anything is asked based on the concept, you will be able to attempt those type of questions. Second important thing in theory is lot of theory is based on your Companies Act 2013. So since you have already studied your company law, this is also going to become very simple for you to attempt. Kindly not waste your much time, on attempting and writing big answers which is of not needed length size. For practicals, take up a universal sum from the topic, solve that sum properly in your book before the paper. And for the other sums, you can just do a quick revision from all what we have done in the class. For corporate accounting, focus on important chapters like share capital. You have consolidation and cash flow statements. And for financial management, likewise, you can concentrate on capital structure, cost of capital, working capital management, followed by all the other chapters. You know everything. You have already done your best. What you are going to do is you are just going to put everything in the paper properly with all the knowledge and best possible attempt. You are definitely going to pass with the flying colors, and I wish you all a very best.